Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what part of the world you are in. This is the Big Girl Diary. I have been on YouTube for 1 year, and guess who I was hanging out with to celebrate it? Marilyn Manson. He is so cool. That's him getting out of his limo. He was like, Big Girl Diary, you know, you're real cool. Keep up the good work. I'm joking around. I'm joking around. Um, and this one right here, I'm going to go over the info that I got on the 25th that I was telling you about on a live stream. And this is the ex parte. I'm going to go over it real quick. It's real short so that you get an understanding because nothing didn't stop. No matter what they tried to pull, it didn't stop the train. It's still going. We're going to see them in court. Oh, it's still proceeding. No matter how hard Evan Rachel Wood or Ilma Gore tried to throw these antics, it's not going to work. Just like he is getting out of his car or his limo, they're going to be in court. So let me go over this real quick. Okay, look, stay till the end. I'm trying to get to a thousand subscribers. Please help me get there. And also, being truthful about this is revolutionary. There's so much lies and delusions and all this other stuff flowing through the air. And I know it's hard to be able to find somebody out there telling the truth, and I have the evidence to back it up. So I'm actually looking at the actual document that I got from the court website, and I'm gonna post some of it up. I'm having a difficult time with my other what is it called? My other my other program, so it's giving me a little problems. But you know, Marilyn Manson and I, we were hanging out, and he's like, "It's okay. It is alright. Just get that truth out there." So I am. Okay, here we go. All right. So, oh goodness, no matter what they try to do, they're not going to win. They are simply not going to win. Now, the good part is this. Okay, Marilyn Manson will and hereby does move on to court by way of the ex parte application for his order continuing the hearing on the defendant's anti-SLAPP motion currently scheduled for September 13th, 2020. I'm sorry, 2022. And to allow the court additional time to rule on Warner's pleading motion for the limited discovery. The application is made pursuant to California blah blah blah. Great thing. Good cause exists for the relief sought. So he got it. He has an ex parte, and he can continue on because the judge is like, okay, we need a little bit more time to rule on it, but just on this section here, you can move on. Everything that is good, you met all the requirements, so you can move on with that. Yes. And all his relief, he saw that. Yes. Okay, on July 22nd, 2022, the court permitted Warner to file the motion seeking limited discovery to oppose defendant's anti-SLAPP. Look on the previous video, we go over what that is. The court set the motion for the hearing on the 18th. The defendant's anti-SLAPP motion for the hearing on September 13th. That's Ilma Gore making Warner's anti-SLAPP opposition due on August 30th. That right there is going to be fine. August 17th, the court posted a tentative order stating it needs additional time to rule on the discovery motion, and consequently, the hearing thereon will continue. It doesn't stop. They continue on. The train keeps on going. I'm so silly. It does not appear to. Well, we continue. The court did not reset the hearing date and of the filing of the application. So it does not appear one has been set. Okay. Warner's opposition to the anti-SLAPP motion, however, remains due on the 30th. They got that covered. According to September 13th hearings are not continued. Warner will be able to oppose the anti-SLAPP motion before the court hears the rules on the pending discovery motion. This is good. Everything's falling into place. On September 23rd, 2022, counsel for Warner provided notice of all parties of the ex parte application in compliance with California law. Okay. The ex parte application is based on the application, the attached memorandum of points of authority, the declaration of Jackson S. Tugman, filed within, herewith, all pleadings, papers, records, files, and this case, and such other arguments are made, be presented on the court at the hearing of the ex parte application. So that was it right there, which is still moving on. No matter what happened, it's still moving on. He got good cause, which is excellent. It's going to continue on, and we're not going to say, okay, these Lion Heifer Burger joint employees are not going to win. No. Again, Marilyn Manson and I hung out, and he's like, keep up the good work, keep the truth coming out. So I am. On that note, I want to thank all my subscribers, my new subscribers. I want to thank the interviews that I did. Oh my goodness, thank you. Thank you so much. And I just appreciate all of you. Having said all of that, I want to thank all of you for stopping by, because you could be anywhere in the world and doing something else, but you're hanging out with me, and I do appreciate that. Until next time.